Daar is een van ons nuwe aanwinste. Sy oë gaan lekker saam ons werk vandag, ja. Dus vandag gaan ons lekker die mure pleister. Lekker die wat nog nie klaar gepleister is nie. Haar kom Theo ook aan. Die getrouwe werker. Wat je altijd op staat kan maken. Theo sê hallo daar by die mense. Ah, what's your plans today? What's your plans today? Ah, yes. To work nice, ne? To give your best. Yeah, yes. There's the plasterer. He's Godfrey Sean. You call him Sean. He's one of the best plasterers, yes, in South Africa. And the thing is, he's enjoying his work. That is the whole thing. You must always enjoy your work and make the best of it. Because there's people that don't even have work. That are crying for work. So he's going to enjoy his work, and we are going to give our best today. Yes, we are almost there. Later we're going to install the roll-up door here. If we have an opportunity, if we have a chance, if we have enough time, we're going to install the roll-up door there and the roll-up door here, and we must still install the roof of this garage. Install the roof. Yes.